Every single day you look at it, you feel its warmth on your skin, but you have never actually seen what's happening inside it. Beneath that blinding golden surface lies a place stranger than any planet, stranger than any world we've ever imagined. Right now, deep inside that fireball in our sky, something is happening that takes light itself thousands of years just to escape. What if I told you the surface of the sun isn't even its hottest layer? What if the real mystery isn't on the outside, but buried far beneath it? 93 million miles away, a single object controls almost everything about our existence. Its gravity keeps 8 planets locked in their orbits. Its energy feeds every living thing on Earth. Without it, our planet would be a frozen rock drifting through darkness. Yet, despite depending on it for everything, most of us know almost nothing about what it truly is or what's happening inside it right now. To understand what's inside the sun, we have to go back nearly 5 billion years to a cold, dark cloud of gas and dust drifting silently through space. Slowly, gravity began pulling that cloud inward. It collapsed. It compressed. It grew hotter and denser until, at its center, something extraordinary happened. Atoms were crushed together with such force that a new kind of reaction ignited. A star was born, and that reaction has never stopped since. Now let's go somewhere no human has ever been inside the sun itself. The core here. Temperatures reach nearly 15 million degrees Celsius. This is where hydrogen atoms are fused into helium, releasing the energy that powers everything the sun does. But here's the strange part. This energy doesn't just shoot straight out into space. The radiative zone surrounding the core is a region so dense that light particles get trapped, bouncing endlessly from atom to atom. This is why sunlight born today may not reach the surface for tens of thousands of years. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, is essentially stuck in traffic. The convective zone. Eventually, energy escapes the radiative zone and enters a boiling, churning layer where plasma rises and falls like a pot of water on the verge of boiling over. This constant motion is what eventually carries energy the rest of the way to the surface. The photosphere. This is the visible surface we see from Earth around 5,500 degrees Celsius. But this is where things get strange. The chromosphere just above the surface, temperatures start rising again. The corona. And here is where the true mystery begins. The sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, is hundreds of times hotter than the surface below it, reaching over 1 million degrees. Scientists still don't fully understand why the outer layer is hotter than the layer beneath it. It defies simple logic, and it's one of the biggest unsolved puzzles in solar science today. But the sun will not burn forever. In roughly 5 billion years, its hydrogen fuel will begin running out. The core will contract, the outer layers will expand dramatically, and the sun will transform into a red giant swelling so large it may engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. Eventually, it will shed its outer layers entirely, collapsing into a small, dense remnant known as a white dwarf, a quiet ember of the star that once gave us everything. The sun has been burning since before Earth existed, and it will keep burning long after we are gone. Every heartbeat of light it sends our way took thousands of years just to be born. And somewhere, deep inside that fire, questions remain that science still cannot fully answer. The next time you feel sunlight on your skin, remember you're not just feeling warmth. You're feeling history. You're feeling a journey that began inside a star, tens of thousands of years before it ever reached you.